Hello guys, I will be reading Good Night construction site. Sorry guys, I won't be able to be showing you the pictures because YouTube I think will say the video's too long if I show the pictures. So yeah, I'm sorry, but when I get this all set up, I'll be able to show you the pictures. So here we go. Good night construction site. Good night construction site. Okay, wait. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work all their might to build a building, make a road, get to the job, I'm sorry, I can't read today. Down in the big construction site, the tough trucks work with all their might to build a building, make a road, to get the job done, load by load. I'm sorry, guys. I just can't speak today. The sun has set. The work is done. It's time for trucks to end their fun. So one by one, they'll go to bed to yawn and rest their sleepy heads. Then wake up to another day of rough and tough construction play. So yeah, it's like a rhymey book. Working hard to help this team, crane truck raises one last beam. Reaching, stretching, lifting high, he swings the beam into the sky. He'll set it down right on its mark. Then off to bed. It's almost dark. He slowly folds his boom back in, and then with one last sleepy grin, he tucks himself in nice and tight, then cuddles up and says, "Good night." Shh, good night, crane truck. Good night. Yeah, oh dang it, I wish I could flip it, but yeah. As you can see, that's the boom, the long part, that's the boom. Yeah, that's the boom. Spinning, turning all day long, cement mixer sings his whirly song. Now, he's weary and so dizzy from the fun that keeps him busy. With one last spin, he pours a load. He's ready now to leave the road. He takes a bath, gets shiny bright, pulls up his chute, and turns off the light. He cuts his engine, slows his drum, then sweet dreams of twirly fun. Shh, good night, cement mixer. Good night. Dump truck loves to work and haul. He keeps loading both big and small. That's pretty funny. It's like he loads big, then he loads small. That little thingy, that little rock. And then he got all of this. And big and small. Pretty funny. Yeah. He moves the dirt from place to place, then dumps it with a happy face. One final load spills on the heap. Crunch. Now dump truck's tired and wants to sleep. He lowers his bed, locks his gate, rests his wheels, it's getting late. He dims his light, then shuts his doors, and soon his engine slowly snores. And soon his engine slows to snores. Shh. Good night, dump truck. Good night. And then I remember this we used to love this picture. So you see right there, that's a guy screaming out the window, "Hey, pipe down," because this guy's snoring. It's really funny, actually. Yeah, it's really funny. He's screaming, "Hey, quiet down." Zzz. Yeah. Let's keep going. Pushing with his mighty blade, Bulldozer works to smooth the grade. He clears the way to level ground and fills the air with thunder-roused sound. Roar! No one's as tough and strong as he, but now he's sleepy as can be. He curls into, He curls into soft dirt bed and dreams of busy days ahead. Shh. Good night, Bulldozer. Good night. Why did I go shh? That was way too loud. I'm sorry, Bulldozer. And then stops his track, turns off his engine. Out of his stack, he puffs some smoke. Scooping gravel, dirt and sand, excavator shapes the land. He digs and lifts throughout the day. Arr! But now it's time to end the day. A few more holes to dig and soon he'll roll to bed beneath the moon. He twirls upon his bumpy track, pulls up his boom, stretches his back. He sets his scoop down on the ground and snuggles up without a sound. Oh. Shh. Good night, excavator. Good night. These big trucks, so tough and loud, they work so hard, so rough and proud. Tomorrow is another day, another chance to work and play. Turn off your engine, stop your tracks, Relax your wheels, your stacks, and your backs. No more huffing and puffing. Team, it's time to rest your heads and dream. Construction night is all tucked in tight. The day is done. Turn off the light. Great work today. Now, shh, good night. So, they're all sleeping right there. So there's cement truck, I think. Wait, no, that's dump truck. And that's cement truck right there. If you guys can see it. And then that's bulldozer. That's, I forget what he's called. But yeah, they're all pretty much sleeping. And that is the end of the book. I hope you guys like this. This was one of my favorite baby books as a kid, and I always loved to read this. Yeah, so hopefully I don't get kicked off of YouTube for making videos so long. I'm sorry, YouTube. I'm sorry, all you guys out there. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm so sorry that I can't show the videos, just because it's even worse because if I do, I can't even upload the video, so it's even worse. Yeah, so, I will be going right when it turns 12 minutes.